Teacher Chi from K1/2. Okay, how do you do? If you ask me, I am fine. Okay, today we are going to explore more knowledge in nature around us. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. Open your book on page 25. Okay, let's talk about the weather in winter. Now, what is the weather in winter? Okay, let's describe the weather in winter. Okay, let's take a look at this picture. See and describe. As you can see in this picture, it's windy. The leaves are falling down. Okay, look at the children. They are cold. So it is cold when it's winter. It is windy when it's winter. Okay, see? Okay, the leaves are falling down. And look at the kids. They are wearing a winter coat, winter hat also, and a pair of winter gloves. And they are also wearing a boots because it is very cold in winter. Now I will read the instructions. Trace the dash lines and color the picture. So you trace these dash lines, trace these dash lines, trace these dash lines, trace this dash line, and trace this, and then color the picture. Yeah, I will show you my finished product here. Okay, see, I colored the pictures and the leaves. So that's the end of our lesson for today. Okay, that's all for today, kids. I hope next time you will learn a lot from me. Okay, I will see you next time. Bye-bye!